Good morning, students. Today we are going to start a new chapter, that is multiplication. Multiplication is nothing but repeated addition. मल्टीप्लिकेशन को हम रिपीटेड एडिशन भी कहते हैं। बार बार ऐड करेंगे तो उसे मल्टीप्लिकेशन भी हम लोग कहते हैं। लेट अस मेक इट क्लियर विथ वन एग्जाम्पल. Suppose 8 plus 8 plus 8 plus 8. That means 8 is added 4 times. So we can write it as 4 times 8. That is 4 multiplied by 8. We will get 32. तो यहाँ देख रहे हैं 8 जो है वो 4 बार हमने ऐड की है. तो दिस इज द रिपीटेड एडिशन ऑफ 8. हाउ मेनी टाइम्स? It is 4 times. So we can write it as 4 times 8 will give you 32. Here one more example. 2 is added 3 times. That is 2 plus 2 plus 2. So we can write it as 3 times 2. That means 3 multiplied by 2. We will get 6. 3 multiplied by 2. 3 2s are 6. The result obtained on multiplying two or more numbers is called product. Please pay attention here. When we multiply two or more numbers, then on multiplying, the result which we obtained, this is called product. So in this question, 3 times 2, that means 3 multiplied by 2 is 6. So this 6 is product. Here 4 multiplied by 8, that means 4 times 8, it is 32. So 32 is the product. Now we can also show the multiplication on number lines. We can do multiplication using number lines. Now we are going to find the product when 4 multiplied by 6 by using number line. How on number line we can find this product? So here you can see a number line starting from 0, and this is the positive numbers 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 like this. So how we will do it on number line? So here 4 times 6, that means we have to make the 4 groups of 6s. So on this number line we will start with 0, and we have to count 6. So we will start with 0 and move on to reach 6. So from 0 to 6, again we will move towards next 6. So again 6 to 12, again move towards next 6. So 12 13 14 15 16 17 18, next 6. So 12 to 18, again 18 to 24. So how many times we will jump? So we will jump 4 times. It is 4 times 6. That means we have to make 4 groups of 6s. So this is 1 6, 2 6, 3 6 and 4 6. We have made 4 jumps, and each jump has 6 numbers. We have to jump 4 times 6 digit. So here we have started from 0. First jump we have reached 6. Second jump we have reached 12. Third jump we have reached 18. And fourth jump we have reached 24. So at last we reached 24 on number line. So the result of 4 multiplied by 6 is 24. 4. Here we can also write it as 6 plus 6 plus 6 plus 6. That means 4 times 6. So 6 plus 6 plus 6 plus 6, that is 24. And also we can write it in multiplication form, that is 4 times 6, that is 4 multiplied by 6 will give 24. Now let us make it clear with one more example. We have to multiply 5 with 4, that is 5 times 4. So again on number line we have marked the digits 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 like this, and we will start with 0. Here we have to make 5 groups of 4s. That means we have to jump 5 times, and in each jump there will be 4 digits, there will be 4 numbers. So starting with 0, so in first jump we reached 4, again in next jump we reached 8, in third jump we reached 12, and in fourth jump we reached 16, and in fifth jump we reached 20. So how many jumps we have to make? We have to make 5 jumps, and in each jump we have to jump 4 numbers. So first jump, second jump, third jump, fourth jump and fifth jump. And in last jump we have reached the digit 20. That means we can say 5 times 4 will give 20. So 4 will be added 5 times. So 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4. So here 4 is added 5 times. That means 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4. That is 5 times 4. This is the repeated addition of 4 5 times. That's why we have written 5 times 4. That is 5 multiplied by 4, and we will get 20. Because on number line we have reached from 0 to 20. So the answer is 20.